This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational.
There is no evidence that Albert Einstein ever said compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Hi, my name is Modit and I've trained more than 30,000 people in 4 different countries in the last 10 years on how to invest in stock market and how to compound money year on year. Now, if you put your money in a saving account, it'll compound by 4%. If you put it in a fixed deposit, it'll compound by 6 to 7%. But you don't have to carefully look for a bank. Any bank will compound your money by 6 to 7% in a fixed deposit. But when it comes to stock market, you need to know where to invest. You just can't invest anywhere. So how and where do you invest? Now I'm doing a free webinar on it where you will learn how to invest in stock market and how you can compound your money in stock market. So if you're truly ready to compound your way to wealth, I invite you to click on the link below and register for this webinar where you will learn how you can invest and grow your money. So click on the link below and I'll see you live.